Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are well and good. Our subject for today is EVS1, lesson number 11, a look inside the body. Children, have you ever thought about how we walk, jump, smell, breathe, or even feel? All these are possible because of certain organs. Now, let's see what is an organ. An organ is a part of the body which is used for a certain function. Children, there are different types of organs in the human body. Some are external and some are internal. Now, the organ on the outside of our body are called external organs. We all can see external organs. बच्चों, external organs हम easily देख सकते हैं. For example, head, eyes, nose, arms, tongue, leg, etc. As we can see them easily. And some are internal organs. We cannot see them. For example, lungs, stomach, heart, brain, as they are inside our body. Children, organs on the outside of our body are called external organs. They can be easily seen. Head, ear, nose, neck, arm, foot, hair, eye, etc. are external organs. Our external organs that makes us aware of the situation around us are called sensory organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our sensory organs. बच्चों, सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स हमें सिचुएशन के बारे में बताते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, वी ऑल कैन सी नेचर बिकॉज ऑफ अवर आईज. हम आजू बाजू की हर एक चीज देख सकते हैं क्योंकि हमें आंख है. वी हियर बाय अवर ईयर्स. We all can easily identify the smell of roasted papad. But how? Yes, because of our nose. We can feel hot, cold because of our skin. Our skin aware us about that. We all can easily identify the taste of chili and sugarcane. Chilies are hot and sugarcanes are sweet. Our tongue tells us taste. So children, we are having 5 sensory organs. Which they are? Yes, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So children, organs inside our body are called internal organs. In our body, there are many internal organs. Because of their proper place and work, our body functions properly. In this year, we will be studying about a few internal organs like lungs, brain, and heart. Children, many functions of the body go on inside the body. Without stopping our body work 24/7. हमारी बॉडी हम सोने पर भी नहीं रुकती. पूरा दिन वो कंटिन्यूसली काम करती रहती है. There is also a network of blood vessels in our body, which are called veins and arteries. Now, look at this picture, how blood flows throughout the body. Blood flows from veins and arteries. The air that we breathe is also carried to all the organs and the parts of the body through blood. बच्चों, हम जो एयर भी हमारी बॉडी में लेते हैं वो हर पार्ट से, हर ऑर्गन से पहुंचाने का काम हमारा ब्लड करता है. Even air is supplied throughout the body by the blood. Our internal organs that perform certain important bodily functions need to be secure. बच्चों, तो फिर ये जो हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स है उन्हें अच्छी प्लेस पर रखना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. सिक्योर मीन्स they stay in place no matter how much we move. There are hollow spaces for these organs inside the head and the torso. They are called cavities. In simple words, a cavity is a hollow place. Every organ is placed in a specific cavity. So children, let's see how many cavities are there in our body and their names. The cavity inside the head is called the cranial cavity. The cavity in the torso has 3 parts. The cavity in the chest is called the thoracic cavity. The cavity inside the abdomen has 2 parts. They are the abdominal cavity and the pelvic cavity. Children, see their places in the inserted picture. All the internal organs of the body are situated in these cavities. They are situated in such a way that they will not leave their places and move here and there. तो बच्चों, कैविटी के अंदर हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स पूरी तरह से सेफ होते हैं. Children, here the picture shows 2 internal organs, the mouth and the stomach. These organs help in the digestion of food. बच्चों, जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं जैसे चपाती है, सब्जी है, वो डायरेक्टली हमारी बॉडी में नहीं जाता. वो पूरी तरह से डाइजेस्ट होकर उसका पूरी तरह से मॉइस्ट बॉल बनकर वो हमारी पेट तक जाता है. We use our mouth to eat food. The food that we eat has to reach our stomach. The stomach is situated in the abdominal cavity. Children, you all can see a tube from mouth to the stomach. This tube transports food from the mouth to the stomach. It is called the esophagus or gullet. The esophagus is like a pipe. Food of different sizes can pass through it because it is very flexible. बच्चों, हम जो रोटी खाते हैं वो पूरी तरह से क्या बन जाती है? पूरी तरह से सॉफ्ट बन जाती है वो, और वो अपने इसोफेगस से पास होकर हमारे स्टमक तक पहुंचती है. We use our mouth to eat our food. The tongue tells us the taste of the food and we chew it with our teeth. Children, as we chew, our saliva mixes with food and forms a moist ball which we can swallow. It is easy to swallow this soft ball. जब भी हम खाते हैं तभी हमारी सलाइवा मतलब हमारी थूक उस खाने में मिक्स हो जाती है और हमारा खाना सॉफ्ट कर देती है. You all can see this process in the picture alongside. Once we swallow, the food passes through the throat and into the esophagus, which takes it to the stomach. Food travels through a pipe-like pathway from the mouth to the anus. It is called the alimentary canal. Our alimentary canal is about 9 meters long. It is made up of a number of internal organs. Children, have a look at this picture. So students, I hope you all understood part 1 of this lesson. In our next part, we will learn about the heart, the lungs and the brain. Children, soon we will come back with our next video. Till the time, keep learning new things every day. Thank you.